Here we have part 3 of our behind the scenes of attending the 2024 Mustang reveal. If you haven't already, make sure you check out part 1 and part 2. All right, here's the inside of the Ford Rouge Electric Vehicle Center. This was extremely cool to see in person. This is where they build the new F-150 Lightnings. We got a full tour, but one of the things that really stood out to me was the amount of autonomous things. Personally, I don't have much of an engineering background, but seeing all of the moving parts and frankly how they're moving completely autonomously without human interaction just goes to show where technology has brought vehicle manufacturing as a whole. This manufacturing center is 500,000 square feet. One of the most cleanest places that I've ever been in. They actually opened it up officially this year in 2022. The chassis rolling on these, again, autonomous platforms. And then on the other side, the chassis roll underneath the body of the truck, setting down on the chassis, and that's where you have the human intervention, making sure everything's tight and connected properly to the chassis. But it was way cool to see it in person. And here you can see the robotic arms taking the F-150 Lightning chassis and placing it on those platforms so it can roll down and eventually be placed underneath the body. And then as it rolls out of that caged area where the robotic arms are, they actually have a series of scanners scanning and making sure that every nut, fastener, wire, line is in its exact correct place. Just the sheer amount of technology that is seen here at the Rouge Electric Vehicle Center, it really just goes to show that it is 2022 and we are pressing forward into some amazing times when it comes to the amount of technology that's crammed into the manufacturing process of the F-150 Lightning. There you can see a body up in the air waiting to get dropped on top of the chassis. And here is a completed F-150 Lightning rolling through a very well-lit area to ensure that all the quality control, all those sensors and scanners, and obviously humans checking them out as well, making sure all of the panel gaps and windows and every aspect of this Lightning is within tolerance. A special thanks to Ford Motor Company and Friends of Ford for having us out to check out this really cool behind the scenes tour of the Rouge Electric Vehicle plant. It was amazing to see all this technology and frankly how absolutely clean this manufacturing facility was for the F-150 Lightning. Again, comment below and let us know what you think. We want to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.